Today we're going to learn about time and date. Talking about the time, the month first, los meses. The month in Spanish, like the days of the week, are not capitalized. They are all masculine. And if we want to say that something happens in a certain month, we use the preposition en. Vamos a México en enero. We're going to Mexico in January. Las clases empiezan en el mes de septiembre. Classes begin in September. The month of the year, los meses del año. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. ¿Cuál es tu mes favorito? What is your favorite month? Days of the week are similar than the month in that they are all masculine. The year is masculine as well. The seasons are masculine, except for spring. Days of the week ending in an S do not change form in the plural. Only the article changes from the L to los. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. To inquire about the date, we ask the following questions. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Or, ¿a cuántos estamos hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿A cuántos estamos? If you're talking about the first day of the month, use the expression el primer día or simply el primero. For the second and third use, el segundo, el tercero. After that, you just use the regular numbers. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes, el primer día de mayo. Hoy es lunes, el primero de mayo. Both mean today is Monday the 1st. ¿Cuál es la fecha? What is the date? Remember the structure for telling dates by thinking of el 5 de mayo. By the way, the 5 de mayo is a day celebrated in Puebla, Mexico, because they won an important battle against the French. It is not Mexican Independence Day. That would be September the 16th. So you use es el, then the number, the word de, and then the month. And when completing forms or reading abbreviations of dates, you will note that the day comes before the month. 1210 refers to the 12th day of October. Es el 12 de octubre 2020. Es el 12 de octubre 2020, day before the month, meaning it's the 12th of October. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. Mañana es martes. Hoy es lunes, today is Monday. Mañana es martes, tomorrow is Tuesday. Don't use the word on. When used with the days of the week, the definite article has the special meaning on, so you do not use the word on in addition. No trabajo el lunes. I don't work on Mondays. No trabajo los martes. I don't work on Tuesdays. Hay una fiesta el miércoles. There's a party on Wednesday. Hay muchas fiestas los viernes. There are many parties on Fridays. Present versus the near future. You will notice that the following actions do not occur in the present, but rather in the near future. And in Spanish, the present tense of the indicative is sometimes used to express the near future. English does this too. Salimos el lunes could mean we leave on Monday or we will leave on Monday. Mañana es domingo. Tomorrow is Sunday or tomorrow will be Sunday. counting the hours on a clock. Telling time. The verb ser is used to express the time of day. Use es when you are referring to 1 o'clock, and use son when referring to all other hours, because we're counting the hours on a clock. The feminine article la or las is used before the hour because it refers to la hora. Minutes can be added to the hour using the word y, which means end, used before the half hour. So, son las 2:10, 2:10. Minutes can be subtracted from the hour using the word menos, meaning less. Use this after the half hour. For example, 3:40, son las 4:20. Es la 1, it's 1 o'clock. Son las 2, it's 2 o'clock. Es la 1:05, it's 5 minutes past 1, or 1:05. Son las 3:12, it's 12 minutes past 3, or it's 3 o'clock and 12 minutes. Es la 1:05, it is 5 minutes till 1. Son las 3:12, it's 12 minutes till 3. Telling time versus at what time something happens. Es la 1:30, it's 1:30. Son las 2:15, it's 2:15. Son las 3:15, it's 2:45. La fiesta empieza a las 9. The party begins at 9 o'clock. El banco abre a las 8:30. The bank opens at 8:30. So to say something occurs at a specific time, use the formula a and la or las and the hour, the time. AM versus PM. To differentiate between AM and PM, use the expressions de la mañana, de la tarde, and de la noche. And note that the use of military time is also common. 17:30 would be son las 5:30 de la tarde, 5:30 in the afternoon. Son las 2 de la tarde, it's 2 in the afternoon. Son las 2 de la mañana, it's 2 in the morning. Son las 10 de la noche, it's 10 in the evening. Preguntas. ¿A qué hora es la reunión del Zoom? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu día feriado, holiday, favorito? ¿En qué mes es? ¿Cuál es tu mes favorito? ¿Por qué? ¿Qué días tienes clases? ¿Qué días trabajas? ¿A qué hora trabajas normalmente? There are a lot of useful expressions. Por la mañana, de la mañana. Por la tarde, de la tarde. Por la noche, de la noche. Notice that por always indicate that there is no specific time, just sometime during the morning, sometime in the afternoon, sometime in the night. But if you say de la mañana, de la tarde, de la noche, you are always going to refer to a specific time. A las 10 de la noche, at 10 at night. La mañana is morning. El mañana means the future. Pasado mañana is the day after tomorrow. You have al mediodía, a la medianoche, alrededor de días, durante el día, a tiempo, en punto, tarde, temprano, ayer, anoche, la noche anterior, ante, anoche, el lunes que viene, la semana que viene, el año que viene. Literally means the Monday that is coming, the week that is coming. We say next week, next year. El lunes pasado, la semana pasada, el año pasado. Those are words that refer to the past. And as always, if you have any questions, please email me in D2L, attend the Zoom lecture, and I will be happy to help.